Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need core proof points now: a typed CV, identification, and a ready sample spreadsheet. First, run a 5-minute typing check to confirm 45 WPM and accuracy. This matters for screening. Next, open a clean Excel file and save a CSV template. Label columns exactly as the job listing requires. Then, tailor your resume keywords to match the posting, because many systems filter versus human review. Do this before you hit apply. Once you start the application form, paste consistent entries into each field. Use your template to avoid formatting errors. You should explain in 3 lines your data cleaning approach and include a sample CSV showing normalized headers and cleaned numeric fields. When uploading, choose CSV or XLSX as requested. Do not rename extensions. Make sure to run spell check and preview. Forms often truncate longer descriptions so that your core keywords and sample file appear intact to reviewers. After submission, immediately save the confirmation and a screenshot with timestamp. You may need that later. You should follow up in 3 to 5 business days with a brief, professional email reiterating your fit and referencing the confirmation number. If you get a rejection, diagnose quickly. Verify your file formats, compare job keywords to your resume, and rerun a typing test to spot accuracy drops. As a troubleshooting tip, if uploads fail, switch browsers and compress files under 5 MB.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.